Hello everybody and welcome to SolidCode. We are going to start with part 4 of our coding cut the rope game tutorials, and in this time we are going to code this obstacle that it follows a path or a trajectory, and basically when we collide with it we will lose. So the level will restart. So if I do this, they collide, the level will restart. Similar to what we do when we collide with the ground. So let's start coding this. First, I added a new sprite. It is this one right here. It's just a basic sprite and it has this obstacle. So I'm going to add to the object, sorry, I'm going to create empty object and I'm going to name it obstacle. Then I'm going to add the component of a sprite renderer and I'm going to use that sprite. So I drag it here. Now here I have an obstacle. I'm going to put it there, and for this obstacle we need to add a collider. So for now I'm going to add just a collider without rigid body. Later we will see that. So why, sorry. So we have the box collider and it is there and it's working fine. Now let's start by using spline. So first we go to window, package manager, and we are going to search for the spline package. This package will help us to work with curves and paths. So what we are going to do is to generate a path to create a trajectory and make the object follow it in an animation. So let's install it. Once that is installed, we go to this panel and we are going to add a spline. We are going to click on draw splines tool. So we are going to draw a custom spline. So first, I'm going to start maybe here. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click, just one click, another click, two clicks, sorry, and in this box I will do another two clicks. So you can see the idea now. So now I go there, another two clicks, and I do that to the end. Once I finished, I press escape and now I have it there. I'm going to click outside this and I'm going to select the whole spline and I'm going to move it. Let me see. I just needed to click here, sorry. And now I can move it. I'm going to put it below, something like that. Okay, now I have it there. So let's see the spline. Basically, the spline will show me all the points that I created and the coordinates. And now in the obstacle, what we can do is to add an spline animator. Spline animate, and we are going to drag our spline here. Now we need to put, let's see what happens if we put it here first. What we are going to do is to say that this animation will last 5 seconds, and let's play it like this for now. So look at that, it is really buggy. If I show the 3D, I see that it's trying to do something but it is not working. So what we need to do is to play with this. I'm going to change the up axis to the Z axis, and the forward axis is going to be the X positive. So now it's way better to what we expected. As you can see, when it finishes, it goes back to the beginning. We don't want that, so we're going to use a loop mode of ping pong. So basically when it goes to the end, it will go back. And in easing, we are going to use an easing out, so the animation looks a little bit smoother. Now in the game we have the object following that trajectory. Now if we collide with it, right now it's acting like a rigid body. So as you can see, it pushed the ball to the ground and the level restarted. But what we want to do is to restart the level when the collision with the obstacle occurs. So let's do that. We go to our ball script and we are going to copy what we did for the ground, but and now it will be for the obstacle, because we want that if the ball collides with any obstacle on the game, it will behave the same. There it is, and it is working as we expected. So thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you to understand splines and how to use them in order to animate objects. Please subscribe to our channel and keep watching. Bye.